Xylem Sensus Cordonel is a revolutionary commercial and industrial static meter. Where meters once registered zeros, Cordonel returns actual consumption values, capturing every drop. Its three-channel measurement design precisely captures low flow, high flow, and everything in between, across the full operational range. Cordonel doesn't require any upstream or downstream straight pipe, offering flexible installation options in the complex piping configurations common to C&I environments. And for select sizes, fire certification comes as standard. A suite of smart alarms and 180 days of hourly data logging provide superior visibility and operational intelligence you need to keep your system in check. All backed by a 20-year accuracy guarantee and a 20-year battery warranty. Learn more at xylem.com/Cordonel.